Welcome!
In this episode, I'm going to show you a tour of my home coming up.
Now let me show you some of the favorite parts of the house. This, the cage. So the interior designer actually suggested placing thick plants inside to diffuse the light. I thought it's a very smart idea. Now another thing that the interior designer actually suggested putting a full-length tea-colored glass, which I thought was a fantastic idea. So what is inside is actually just storage. It was previously white in color. So it was very jarring. The next part of the house I really love is actually purchasing these brass switch panels. Now this one was a little bit costly, but I really love how it elevates the feel of the house. Now if you can see, a lot of I have a gallery wall here. Now because the space is not very big, so I was trying to find out what I can do here. So the interior designer actually suggested getting painting from Taobao. They're all from Taobao. I just hang them haphazardly. Another thing that I really like is the brass, what do you call it, shelves. Okay, so again, these are the ideas from the designer. Okay, and it was also his idea to put the fake flowers, which I thought was amazing. Ta-da! My very affordable gallery wall. Actually, I only have the chair and a table for one person, so I actually usually eat at the table itself, sit on the floor. I find it quite cooling. Then where do I put my stuff? So that's where all the built-in cupboards, if you can see, the built-in cupboards, that's where I put my shoes and stuff. Alright, they're all the built-in cupboards. I have quite a lot of built-in cupboards, so just to share with you all the built-in cupboards that I have. Yeah, so where's the bed, you will ask? So this is actually the bed. Okay, and again, I love the combination of the table and the chairs from Taobao as well. And you realize that I removed the door. Okay, there are actually two doors, the toilet door as well as this door that leads to the bedroom. So I wanted it to be arched, that's one. Number two, the doors were taking up a lot of space. So therefore, I just asked them to remove. So I particularly like how I could style this area. Again, my interior designer helped me with it. I wouldn't have known all these ideas. So yes, I like how it is neatly, it is just part of the decoration. And again, as you can see, no doors, and it really helps to open up the space.
So hope you like the home tour. All thanks to my interior designer, Darren. I'll link his details in the description box down below in case you like his style. So it was a very pleasant experience working with Darren, because I think it is very important for you to find an interior designer who has the same wavelength as you, and I think that's very important when you're looking for an interior designer. So I hope you enjoy watching the video. So to the next video, I'll see you again.